Gareth, he lied to me. I've been lied to before. He screwed half the bloody neighbourhood while I was waiting for him. I started thinking about that night, the way he made love to me. He had me confused, and I promised myself I wouldn't be confused again. Not after the violent one. Men hurt.
Hello? I'm still here. Sure. Why not leave the junior reporter in the dark? Why should we care about her? She's just a girl. Shit. Who are you?
Now you know who I am, don't you?
You're that guy from the meeting. What are you doing here? Are you gonna kill me?
Not if you do exactly what I say.
If you want those photos from the meeting, I'm sorry to disappoint you, but they've already been uploaded to the web. And if something happens to me, my boss will eventually find them and show them to the police, so fuck you.
You know, you really got me impressed the way you snuck into that meeting and took those photos. You thought no one would see you, huh?
I won't give you those photos. If I do, you'll kill me.
God, he was handsome. The drunk, he was handsome too.
Claudia, right? I understand. I know that feeling too.
What are you talking about?
They don't appreciate me neither. Where I work, they think I'm too young. They think I'm inept. The bastards. Don't you want to shut their fucking mouths? Don't you want to write something that would make those idiots kiss your ass? Huh, Claudia?
I don't understand. What do you mean?
You and me. Together we could get rid of those idiots. I've come into some assets from some tiresome colleagues of mine. I could share this with you. Keep the photos. Write the article. But avoid mentioning me. I wouldn't let you do this without a reward.
The bastard had me from hello, and he didn't even say hello. He tells me his name is Gareth Maxwell. He says he's a nobody that does shitty jobs for the cartel. He wants out, but he can't. He tells me he's stolen some money from some very dangerous people. He says he's fallen for me. To make things worse, I've fallen for him too. A drug dealer. Oh, God.
So what are we getting?
I feel like getting a cannellini.
Cannellini?
Yeah.
That sounds great.
Yeah. Because my mum can't make it at home.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I think I'm going to get some.
So, did you bring my photos?
Did you bring my money?
You're amazing. Now, what do you say we get some food to take away? can finish this business at your place.
Before we do that, Gareth, tell me again. Tell me again how you've fallen in love with me.
I told you already. I've fallen for you. Real bad.
Yes, but tell me so I know. So I know that you're not going to lie to me. Give me a reason to believe in you.
I swear I care about you.
You order food. I'm just gonna go to the bathroom.
So? Did you follow him?
I followed him, alright?
And? Look, Mac, whatever it is you want to tell me, just tell me.
He ain't lying about the money. This guy is not who he says he is. I know you don't want to believe it, but he's hiding something. I'm telling you, you'd be a fool to trust him.
No. You're wrong. He's not lying. He can't be. You don't know him.
Claudia, you should walk away from this. Right now.
No. I'm telling you, he's not like the other guys.
You should say this. What are you gonna do?
I had no other choice. Men betray. So I had to betray him first.
Did you do this?
Men are trouble.